Say hello to your ba, which is the braised pork belly in soy sauce. The best thing in the world with a piping hot bowl of rice, and I'm sure every family has its own rendition, and here is mine. Hey, hi! Bo. Today we are gonna make some ba. You know that kind of ba that after school you go home, then your ama make, and then you eat with your hot piping rice. That kind of ba. And alongside, we are going to make some lo neng with it. So as you can hear, every time it's like I'm speaking Hokkien all the time. I am a true blue Hokkien girl, and today let's take a look at the ingredients. Super easy. Jump right in. First things first, go and boil some hard-boiled eggs. So how many lo neng you want to eat? You go and make them hard first. So peel them and put on the side. Then you also need to marinate all the pork belly to add in that power. For me, I do it overnight. Prepare some fried tofu or pink curd if you like to call it. I will normally lightly pan fry them. So heat up your wok as usual. Put in the meat, this time without any oil because already very fatty. Let it fry quite a bit. And we add in the garlic and also the sugar. Let everything caramelize, smelling good. Pour in 1 cup of rice wine and followed by 1 cup of water. And from here, you can also add in the eggs and also tau hua that you pan fried earlier and let them all braise in together. You can add a bit of salt to taste. Continue simmering it for another 30 minutes. And here we go. This is the ba that we have been waiting for. Everybody jia! And it's the highlight of the day. Now let's eat the ba that I have made. And you know, it just reminds me of school time lah. So everybody jia! Wow. You know some families they put lam kion and all that, but lam kion is what? Turmeric or whatever you call it. No, not turmeric. Some really must eat with rice one. Very fat. Somehow the tau and rice are really best friends. Okay, this dish no vegetable. You can go and find one vegetable, and I can tell you it's still all below $10 per meal. And you can feed like what? Quite a few people, isn't it? Oh, yummy. The long bar and later must the egg. I must put the tau on the yolk. Are you like that also? So comment yes if you feel that I should start a mukbang channel just for eating for you to see, is it? Rice is my best friend. Oh dear, just look at my body shape. But you know everything in moderation, my dear friends. Everything in moderation. So eat healthy, be well, happy, most important, yeah? So Anna, see you next week. Bye. Is 好吃的。导游配饭都这样好吃哈，sometimes。这个真的是 is the 那放学回家那种， 哎呀，想了 I want to cry one sometimes. It's really 阿公的 memories.